This is the Sirui Iron Star 35mm T1.9 1.5 times squeeze anamorphic lens for full frame cameras. Now there are two unique features that it comes with this one, and one is the EF to PL interchangeable mount, which is amazing, and that they're trying to do a similar concept to the VP1 to their anamorphic line, which I hope they make something like this for the mirrorless mounts like the Sony E, Leica L, Nikon Z, and the rest. Now another cool thing, another cool feature about this one is the back focus adjustment ring, which you don't really need to unscrew plates, which sometimes can be intimidating if you are doing it on your own, especially if you're doing it on your first time. But this one, you basically have a dedicated ring to adjust the back focus of this anamorphic lens. Now this one comes in silver flares, so it'll match the color of the light for the flares, which is great. So the look stays consistent. It also comes in blue if you would like to have blue flares. Now currently they have 35mm, 45mm, and 60mm available, and I'm sure they will have other focal lengths added into it, which would be the 75mm, 100mm, and 135mm Iron Star lenses. Seems to me that this is going to replace the Venus anamorphic lenses because they had big sales on those recently. It was like 1500 USD, and now they're selling it for 500 only. Check it out if you'd like, but we're talking about these new fast anamorphic lenses. The Iron Star has a 270-degree focus throw, and it's quite smooth. Same with the Iris gear. As usual, it is built like a tank. It's got some good heft with it, and I only have the A7C II with me, and this is how it looks with the PL adapter. I reckon that this would be a more balanced setup with the FX3. Now, the image quality of this lens is really nice, and it's fast too. You don't really see a lot of T1.9 anamorphic lenses out there unless you spend a lot of money on the big dogs. The only downside, in my opinion, is the bokeh, and that it reminds me of their autofocus anamorphic lenses. The bokeh is shaped like an octagon shape. Aside from that, the character of this lens is something I would rock in my videos. It's quite nice and it's pleasing, and it's got enough character for me. The minimum focus distance of the 35mm is about 0.65 meters, which is about 25 inches, about 2 feet. And I wish it was closer, but most anamorphic lenses have this issue. Focus breathing is almost non-existent with the Iron Star, at least for the 35, which is amazing. Another win for Sirui on this one because they've been consistently delivering no to minimal focus breathing with their new lenses. Now, I don't know if the whole set matches in color since I only have the 35. So I can't really say that they match or not, but the color rendition of the 35mm is quite neutral from the get-go. The filter thread is something similar to their Jupiter lenses. It's got this big diameter, and the filter thread inside is 92mm, and the outer diameter is 95mm, which is perfect for most matte boxes, meaning that you don't need to put a thread adapter if you want to attach a matte box. All you have to do is put the matte box directly on the lens and you're good to go. Each lens is about $999 US, which is great value for a T1.9 anamorphic lens and has interchangeable mounts. Sirui is really pushing the cost to performance value with their products recently, and this drives the competition to be better. So in the end, us consumers will get better products for lower prices. Overall, another decent anamorphic lens by Sirui, and if you have any questions about this lens, let me know in the comments down below. If you like my colors and you want to make your edits feel like a memory, the links are in the description. But until then, I will see you in the next video. Peace.